First off, my name is John McBride, and I want to thank you from Team Ooberdocs for getting an Ooberdocs account. You're going to have to log into your Ooberdocs account. We're going to show you now how to connect an email to your cloud storage provider through Ooberdocs. So you'll land on the home screen, and what you'll want to do is go to Connections. I don't have an email currently hooked up, so it will prompt me to add one. I'm going to name it my Gmail attachments. And then I have a choice besides Gmail. We also hooked to Hotmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and a secure POP3. I'm going to put in my username for my Gmail account. And the first time I'm going to put in the wrong password. And I'll show you in just a second. We just added a feature to test your connection. So let's test it. And I just got either my account name wrong or my password. So now we're going to put in the correct password. And we're going to test it again. And successful. I got a test success. So I want to save that. Next I'm going to be asked which cloud storage provider I want to connect to. Right now we connect to Dropbox, Google Drive, Hightail, and Microsoft OneDrive. So let's do Dropbox. Now I'm already logged into my Dropbox account, so after I try to connect, it's going to easily go to Ooberdocs would like to access through their API permissions. And there, success. We are now, Ooberdocs is now connected to your Dropbox account. You're going to close that. Now, Ooberdocs is going to ask you, do you want to receive an alert through SMS or email that an attachment was put into your Dropbox? I do, so I want to add a type. I can either choose email or SMS. So I'm going to put in here a Hollywood-style cell phone and pick Verizon. And once I add that, invalid phone number, probably not. See, 212-055, not enough digits. So once that's added, I can actually add another one if I wanted, if a colleague wanted to get an alert, if we're collaborating on something. So I'm going to hit OK. Now, the only thing we don't prompt you is the destination. Now, on a new account, the default is a folder called Ooberdocs. This is where all the email file attachments is going to be deposited into. Now, I can rename this to my Gmail attachments. And then the only other significant question here, this is default. Do you want us to try to create it? Yes, if it's not already made. And do you want to sort by sender? I do. So basically, by saying yes, there's going to be a subfolder based on the person's email in a folder on Dropbox called Gmail Attachments. That will help me organize my attachments a little easier. And there we go. So we're all ready to go. Now once you are fully connected, our service cycles through email every 5 to 10 minutes depending on what cycle we're currently in. So expect, if you get an email for an attachment to be put into your Dropbox or cloud storage account sometime within 10 to 15 minutes depending on how deep the queue is. And this is basically a set it and forget it service. We hope you like it. We'd like to hear your feedback and also what suggestions for future features that you would like to see in future updates. Thank you for getting a Ooberdocs account.